Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche faces tough questions today from some members of the Senate Judiciary Committee.
Now, this comes during his bid to lead the Justice Department in a permanent capacity. Natalie Brand is on Capitol Hill with details of his confirmation hearing.
Do you swear or affirm?
Testifying before the Senate Judiciary Committee Wednesday, Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche made the case why he should be confirmed to the post.
We have the lowest murder rate since 1900. Violent crime arrests are up nearly 114%.
Blanche is a former federal prosecutor and President Trump's former personal attorney. Senators pressed him on his independence from the White House.
Has he ever asked you to do anything illegal?
No,
Would you do it if he asked you?
absolutely not.
Lawmakers from both parties also grilled Blanche on a shelved proposal for a $1.8 billion fund for people who believe they were unfairly prosecuted by previous administrations.
The legislation fund is dead. It's not moving forward.
But Senator John Cornyn of Texas, a Republican whose vote will be key to Blanche's confirmation, still had questions.
The President of the United States, who is a plaintiff in this lawsuit, has not agreed in writing to delete the weaponization fund, and there's no guarantee that he or one of the other plaintiffs might raise that issue by way of a lawsuit.
Blanche also apologized for mistakes the Justice Department made publishing personal information about Jeffrey Epstein's victims with the document release.
I am sorry that in about 1% of the documents, mistakes were made.
With some Epstein survivors at the hearing, lawmakers pressed him to meet with them and release the remaining files. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Capitol Hill.
Well, Blanche was pressed to release the remaining Epstein files, but he said the remaining 3 million pages collected had nothing to do with the case, and releasing them will be against the law.